Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, in this video, I'm gonna literally show you how to buy USDT at very cheap prices. Yes guys, I'm gonna show you with proof. I'm gonna be comparing the USDT prices on all international exchanges, and I'm gonna be showing you how to buy USDT at very cheap price when compared to the P2P price on international exchanges. Guys, this video is gonna be very useful and very interesting. So watch the video without skipping. Now, before we start, guys, in case if you're new to this channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Technovas. Okay, guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Guys, now I'm going to open Binance Exchange P2P and I'm going to show you the P2P price of 1 USDT. Here you can see that 92.3, 92, 92, 92.4, 92.5, 92.6, so on. Guys, it doesn't matter which exchange you're using. If you are buying USDT through P2P, then you should pay around 92 or more than 92 rupees for 1 USDT. Now guys, let's assume that the market price of the P2P price of 1 USDT is around 92 rupees or more than 92.5 rupees. Now I'm gonna show you how to buy 1 USDT for 88 rupees. Yes guys, 88 rupees or less than 88 rupees. That too by using the UPI method. Now to buy cheap USDT, the first thing you should do is you should have an account on CoinDCX exchange. Guys, on CoinDCX exchange, you can see that the price of 1 USDT is around 88 rupees. Guys, buying USDT at 88 rupees is actually a lot better than buying USDT at 92.5 rupees. Guys, instead of buying and holding crypto on other exchanges, you can buy and hold crypto on CoinDCX exchange. Guys, in the description of this video, I'm gonna leave the CoinDCX exchange link. So if you don't have an account, then you can click on that link and create an account by providing your email ID and giving an password. Now, after creating account on CoinDCX, go to Play Store or App Store and download the CoinDCX application and enter the email ID and password and log into your account. So once after you download the application and log into your account, the next step is you should complete your KYC and you should link your bank account. To add your bank account, click on the profile logo here, which is to your upper left corner, and click on account settings. Now click on account details option and link your bank account. That's it. Now the next step is you should deposit funds INR from your bank account to your CoinDCX account. Alright, now the fourth step is you should add funds to your CoinDCX account. To do that, you should click on this option called funds. Here you have two options, deposit and withdraw. Click on deposit. Here enter your amount, like how much you want to deposit, and click on this select payment method. So here I'll be paying with UPI. Click on continue, and here should select the UPI app. Like you can either use Google Pay or Phone Pay. I'll select Google Pay. Now click on pay via Google Pay. Click on proceed. Now it will take you to Google Pay, and once you complete the transaction, just come on to CoinDCX. In just few minutes time, your deposit will be detected and it will be shown here. But remember one thing guys, you should deposit money from the same bank account that you link to your CoinDCX account. Now assume that you have two bank accounts, one on Canada Bank and one on SBI Bank. So if you have linked SBI Bank account to your CoinDCX account, then you should make the transactions from that SBI account only, even though those both account belongs to you. In case if you had linked SBI account and if you make a transaction from Canada Bank, then your deposit will not be detected and it will be refunded back within 15 working days. So once you deposit money, it will be reflected here, or you can see your balance here under the fund section. Now to buy USDT for futures trading, come on to the market option and search for USDT. Now come on to your spot section here and select this USDT bar INR. Now click on this buy option and buy USDT for how much ever you want. Now guys, if you don't have an account on CoinDCX, the link will be in the description of this video. So click on that link and create your account. Okay guys, now if you have any doubts related to this topic, then drop that in the comment section down below. And guys, please do drop a like on this video, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now if you're a subscriber, then I'm gonna meet you on the next video. Until then, peace.